What's up, everyone? So, Buihe asked me to do this 7 Google hacks to increase your productivity on Google Calendar training. I use Yahoo. I don't even use a calendar in my personal life. I only use a calendar in my professional life. At work, I use my Outlook. But you know what? I said, let me see what this is all about anyways. So I thought I'd give it a try. What was really cool about it was a couple of the tips that he shared. I'm not going to give them away, but they really are so simple, and nobody really operates in this way when they are planning out their tasks, or when they're even describing their tasks with their colleagues or with their people who they just share their process with, if anyone. So it was just a really cool way to get you excited about these tasks. And I am going to start using Google Calendar going forward for my personal life.